RDDT Stock Analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Reddit, I appreciate an 8% increase in price. Still though, I'm gonna look at it from a broader picture, which by the way was just such a bullish idea that I called out. Now you might think that I'm lying, but I've been in the game for like literally 5 years documenting everything. It's taken me 41,000 videos to come to this point. And yeah, like here it is. Like at the time it was $100. Now we are 120, so that's like a 20% increase. Even on the most recent video that I made, like called it out to the dot. Like here, the lower time for bullish, which resulted in a plus 3R. This made like 9 days back, and this is exactly how it looked like from 109 to at least these tops, and it was such a beautiful call out AE as well. So all that to say, I'm willing to like again milk the most that I can out of it. So even if it does pull down deeper and gives me the rules, trying to look and buy more. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails.